Yes, hello everyone. This video I would like to show you and explain you about the Photoshop tool and menu. This one we call the Photoshop CS 2000 and compare with the Adobe CS3, CF4, CF5, CC. It's not far different, so the menu and the tool are not different. So if you learn this one and the version also almost the same, don't worry. And for this one we call tool, and this one we can do like this, the arrow. Yes, can see, click, 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 click. Yes, sometimes you can see this, sometimes you want to see the old version, you can see like this. And this one we call menu. Yeah, menu, we have file, edit, image, layer, and also type, select, filter, 3D view, window. And with the window, I just explain you about the workspace. Can see this one, I mean the interface of the view in the Photoshop, like graphic and web. It show like this: view, window, and workspace, motion, window, workspace, painting, window, workspace, photography. So which one that you prefer or you like, you can select it, but more better I just click for the graphic web like this, or I like this one, painting. Yes, depend on you how to you want. Okay, now let's start. So the first is the file. We can create the new page, or we click Ctrl N. Yes, click Ctrl N or new page. This is the new version interface, and old version is so different but the same. Don't worry, the same. I always say the same. This one, the size. The first you can select with the centimeter. Depend on you how you learn from school. You like the millimeter or inch or pixel or point, pisca. Yeah, for me, in mostly I use the centimeter. So this one we call the wide. Yeah, I can say the we're talking about the A4 size is 21, and the height is 29.7. And remember, this is more important than other. In this one, solution, remember pixel in. Yeah, and solution for the picture is 300. And color is RGB color. This one we call for the photography, not printing. If printing, we select the CMYK. If the photo, we use the color RGB, and solution is 300. Okay, because it's small size, A4 size, we use 300 pixel. This one solution we call the clearly out the image. Okay, clearly out the image. Image clear or not clear depend on solution when you design. And for RGB color is the colorful general view in your photo. But if you go to printing house, you need to change to CMYK color design. But general picture use RGB color, like you will printing our photo like this. But when we think about printing house, we need to design in CMYK, like the PVC banner, backdrop, billboard. Yeah, when we think about the printing house, printing, extend, also CMYK color. But when we design for general photo, we need to choose the color RGB color. It means colorful than CMYK. If we use for the upload in Facebook, website, or other TikTok, Instagram like this, colorful than CMYK. CMYK we use for printing. Okay. Yeah, PVC banner, poster, big size. When you go to printing house, we need to choose the color CMYK. But general printing, poster, IT like this, we use the RGB color. So for this section, only explain this one. The first is the sign out the info of your artwork and solution. Remember, 300 is clearly, normal, clear about the photo. And don't forget this one. Don't choose this one, okay? If you choose this one, you can see the solution is small, but the size of the image is very, very big. Yeah, when you do this one. So remember pixel in. And your computer also smoothly for design. If you do like this one, your computer even bigger, but your artwork is this one, it will be slow design because your capacity of the computer not enough for that. So we use this one for, the international and general one. Okay, 300 for photo, general photo, and RGB color for our just general photo upload for in the Facebook, something like that. Okay, so this one for the new page, and then just create. Yeah, this one we have the artwork, and you can do on this artwork. Example, I just click the tool, right click on this tool and ellipse tool like this. No right, no shape, no fill. You can change the fill color. Yeah, and like this, shape, no fill. Yeah, rectangle, polygon. Yeah, depend on you. And this one just example only. Okay, and the shape, the texture depend on you, and what you want to like this, how called. Okay, that's it. And then you need to sell your artwork for the next day when you want to edit. So you go to file and sell as your project. Okay, shift Ctrl S. We call sell as project. Okay, and then you make your folder, whatever, Photoshop lesson. Okay, and then this one, lesson 1. This is your project name. Okay, and this one, they have many extensions, but for the Photoshop we need to choose the PSD program and then click save, and then you can close. And you want to open your project, just go Photoshop and open and click on your project, and then you can change for next day. Okay, thanks you for watching, and please see the next video lesson.